Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the lock screen wallpaper on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do this, the first thing that we need to do is press and hold on an empty space in the home screen, like so. Then we will open this menu, and then at the bottom we have wallpapers, so let's go there. Now we have, for categories, we can use our own photo that we have saved on our smartphone. We have made with AI. We have dynamic, but dynamic doesn't work in the lock screen. So we cannot really set a dynamic image for the lock screen, and we have created images. And then if we go there, then here in the middle we have change wallpaper. So let's tap here. Now we have some categories. Choose your category, and then you should find some example wallpapers. So let's set up, let's say this one. Then of course you can see the preview. You can tap in the middle this button in order to see how it looks like. With the change, how the change looks like. And then if you are sure that you want to set it, then at the bottom right corner over here we have the check. Tap on it and then choose lock screen. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.